Good morning. I'm vlogging again. Let's go get ready. Today we have a pretty big day today. Not big, it just got kind of busy. I do have some good news. We finally hired an editor, video editor, and she is amazing. I'm sure you guys will meet her. Her name is Macy, and she's such a sweetheart, and I'm just so excited. Hopefully this will be a really good transition for everybody. And today I'm getting my hair done, so I know a lot of you guys have missed those vlogs. My sister Karina is coming with me because we go and get our hair done together. That's like the one thing I've always wanted, was to have my sister come and get her hair done. And she's actually going blonde. So that's really exciting. It's a really exciting process to see how far her hair has gotten from what it was before. So I'm really excited. Hair and makeup done. If you want a closer look, this is what the makeup looks like. It's very simple. And then the hair, I just blow dried it and styled it using my Dyson Airwrap smoothing brush. Still one of my favorites. I use it pretty much at least once a week. I just love it so much. I just enjoy doing my hair when I use it. It's just so good. And they are back in stock, so keep a lookout for that. And the one thing I do want to mention, before I get my hair done, I always like to make sure my hair is a clean canvas before I go in and get it done. Just because I feel better about it. I want to make sure my stylist has a good, fresh canvas to paint on. And I always make sure to use Olaplex number 3 the night before. I basically soak my hair in it. Not soak, but like, you know, put enough product in it that my entire head is covered. And then I sleep with it covered. And then this morning I took a shower, just regular shampoo, conditioner, and then just dried my hair. So there's no extra product on there, no leave-in conditioner, no heat styling products, nothing. Just to make sure the hair is nice and fresh to get it colored. I'm excited. Hi, Andrey. How are you doing? Good morning. How are you feeling?
Feeling okay.
Andrey's tooth is not doing so good. We just set up an appointment, but I literally woke up at 2:40. I'm like, why does the bed feel so light? I literally look over and Andrey's not there. I'm like, what is going on? So I go and he's in the bathroom trying to calm his tooth down with like baking soda and salt. So he said he's feeling better today. Let's all say a quick prayer for Andrey's tooth. All right, we just got done working for a little bit. Now I'm ready to go to the hair appointment. I want Andrey to film my hair before, because I want to see a nice before and after shot after I get my hair done. Thanks, babe. Who's this pretty lady?
None other than me.
And we are getting our hairs done. Karina, you're gonna be-
You look really toned.
Yeah, it's that thing I told you about.
I was talking about your mouth.
Oh.
No, it looks really good.
You look really good.
I watched the video.
Mom is just checking herself out.
So this is a whole look right here. What do you think?
I mean, it's something else. This is when you don't want to be bothered by anybody.
You kind of look like Pharaoh's daughter.
Why was he so mean. You're hilarious.
Can you just take a look at this magic?
I mean, look at this.
Let's all take a minute to appreciate.
It's just so good.
Okay, we have to get outside.
Yeah.
Get this.
Yeah.
So
let me grow a yarn really quick and then we'll go
outside.
Oh my gosh. Karina, how are you feeling?
Fabulous.
You look fabulous.
I know.
Behind the scenes. So this right here is what the poke bowls look like. I already started eating. Here's Karina's. Levi is loving it. He literally had his own bowl. Andrey is kind of not feeling good. Made an appointment tomorrow. We're gonna fix this, right? We're gonna fix it so you feel better. And we're also at a milkshake place, the legendary milkshake bar. Looks cool. Here in Nashville.
It's like dirt.
Is that yummy? That face of pure joy.
Never had anything like this ever.
Yeah, never.
So cute.
Sugar overload. Thank you.
Oh yeah. They
Yum.
Any senior?
Thank you.
Put it in front of Levi.
You have a chocolate too?
He's still eating seaweed.
I have a chocolate too?
Yeah.
I have chocolate too and your worms.
I don't have worms.
All right, so we just made it home and Andrey's not doing so good, so I think we're gonna call it a night here. And then tomorrow morning we'll have an appointment for him to get it all fixed at 8 a.m. So hopefully he feels better tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
How you doing?
Get my teeth fixed.
Yeah, last night was a little rough. Look at this kid.
Good morning, everybody. So we just came back from the dentist. It is now 8:48. I honestly thought it was gonna be like a quick fix, but it's not. It has a bigger issue for Andrey, so he is basically going to prep himself for the surgery on Tuesday, and then we have to go to a specialist because Andrey's special and he has an extra root on top, like underneath a tooth. So they didn't want to mess with that just in case there's something else they can't see. So we have to make an appointment at a specialist. And yeah, awesome start to a Saturday. How are you guys doing today?
How are you doing, babe?
Welcome to the Soviet mouth. It's kind of like a running joke. Everybody from Soviet era, their mouth is just messed up because we were never taught about proper teeth hygiene.
And what are we doing today? Probably gonna get some brunch, and then I wanted to film the dresses from Amazon. I'm gonna do like a more casual style filming. I kind of wanted to try it out, and then I wanted to finish editing the video for a project that we're doing, and pretty much that's the rest of the day because Macy's doing the other things. And then tomorrow's Sunday, which is the rest day, and then back to Monday grind haul. Grind haul? What? What does that even mean? Back to the grind on Monday. That's what I wanted to say. Wow, that's, my mind is who knows where. All right, guys, so we will catch up with you probably at a brunch place that we'll take you to.
This place is so cool. you look so out of it. I'm so sorry. This right here is one of my favorite drinks. The Springtime Sandish Iced. So basically it has rose milk and espresso and then pistachios on top. Look how good that is. It's so yummy. Honey, how was the food?
Delicious.
You ate everything. If you guys are looking for a brunch or a lunch place, try Stay Golden. They have really good coffees, really good drinks, really good food, and it's a really cool atmosphere.
Good meat.
Yeah, they use really nice meat. So we're probably gonna head home, film the video, and then maybe go out somewhere today. We'll see how Andrey's feeling after working. We don't want to push him too hard. And then, yeah, we're probably gonna keep it a chill day. Nothing too crazy. Taking a break after filming. Thanks for helping me. You're the best. So, yeah, we just finished filming. We actually found some really cute dresses. I forgot, I didn't even show you guys the hair after the salon visit, the hair appointment. Let me have Andrey show you guys. I honestly think she does such an amazing job. I think she gets the tone right every single time. We did a very heavy partial highlight with a little bit of baby lights throughout. Basically, we did a lot like underneath, so if I do any updos or a high ponytail or a high messy bun, it's not gonna be stark, crazy dark definition underneath and really blonde at the top. So I'm still having a lot of definition throughout my hair, but it's still bright underneath and on the sides of my head. So that's really what I was telling her what I wanted, especially like right here. If I'm doing like a half updo or something, I wanted to make sure it wasn't really dark on the sides, but a nice brightness throughout, but still lots of definition. And she killed it. She is phenomenal. If you are on the lookout for a great hairstylist and you are in the Nashville area, I will link her Instagram down below so you can contact her. She is incredible. Her name is Caitlin. So last time you guys saw me, we finished filming and then we were thinking of going out somewhere, but then, you know, my cramps came and Andrey started kind of feeling not great. And literally what happened was he fell asleep. I was doing stuff around the house, cleaning up, and then out of nowhere, like, the cramps got so bad, literally knocked me out. Like, it was just, we thought that we were gonna go hang out with my sister. It was such a beautiful day, and it was like a perfect storm today, you know, just kind of like everything all at once, but it's all good. We're both feeling a little bit better and just getting ready for the night. Took my makeup off. But yeah, I honestly thought that we were gonna go out and do something, but you know what, just sometimes the day gets the best of you, and sometimes it's just, you know, best to make sure you stay home and just take care of yourself, you know, just make sure both of you guys are feeling good. Yeah, so tomorrow's Sunday, and I don't even know what we're doing tomorrow, just probably keeping it super chill, going to church. Hopefully we're gonna see my sister and her family. All right, skincare is done. But yeah, you guys, that completes the video for today and for the vlog. I'm so glad you could join me. I really want to bring vlogs back just because I enjoy filming them and I enjoy watching vlogs, and I feel like that's another way we can connect and really get to know each other on a more personal level, because you really come and see my life that I don't show usually on camera. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I can't wait to film another one. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching, spending time with me, getting my hair done with my sister, just having fun with us, and I will see you guys in another one very soon. I love you all very much. Bye.